So, manual says to do denatured alcohol. Found it on Amazon. Didn't really find it. Well, I found it in other places, but it was quicker and less expensive on Amazon. There's probably other chemicals that could use, but I'm following the manual. Okay, so now everything is cleaned with denatured alcohol. You can see that it did its job. It's pretty cloudy in there. Scrubbed with either a wire brush or a toothbrush, and I've taken some canned air and, you know, blown out all the places that need to be dry before it's buttoned back up. And now it's just a matter of reassembly. So a couple of the parts here we'll need is the economizer. So we'll grab that. We're gonna need the gasket for the bowl, so we'll grab that guy. We'll need the diaphragm, and that's for this piece right here. Okay, and then there's this little kit that has a bunch of miscellaneous. So we'll open this up very carefully and pull out the pieces that are to be replaced. So here's one, fuel inlet. This is part of the economizer right there. And then these are just spacers when it gets to the point of actually mounting the carburetor on the intake manifold. Okay, so couple of other things in here. So this is a replacement clip. It goes on the inside, and it actually goes on this piece right here. There's the arm that comes through. Actually, I think it's this one that comes through, and that clips on. So we're gonna replace that. So this is a little stopper piece that goes over this and goes on here, the end of here. So basically you just pull that through. There it goes. And then if you want, you can cut off that extra piece on the top right there, but basically it goes like that. Okay. And then there are a couple of other really tiny little pieces. So there's a little C-clip right there. It's going to replace one. Basically that one holds the float bowl in place. And there are some, so this is a little ball right here. And I believe that goes to this economizer. So there's a little check ball in there. And it actually moves pretty quickly, and to be honest with you, I'm not even sure how I would get that out. So I'm not gonna worry about that one. If I ever need it, I'll hang on to it and replace it. And then there is a couple of clips or cotter pins in here as well. And a couple of cork spacers and a rubber spacer. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure what all those go to, but I don't recall using any of those pieces on this one, but we'll see. So I'm gonna keep these in the bag and just set over to the side for now. All right. this baffle here. Here we go. That's how it's supposed to go. So I'll show you here. There's a little groove right here. And this is supposed to go around that arm on the float. And when you do that, it just sits inside that groove. And then we put the bow on. And inside this bowl, there's also a groove right there. one little screw left over. Makes me wonder if I forgot one on the economizer on the inside. So I might just open that back up and check. But other than that, it's pretty much back together. So that's a good thing, right?